In the last episode I were in the Puuveneen Vuoksi event, and now it's the Sunday of that weekend, and some hour and a half ago I left Joutseno, and now I'm here at Mäntyselkä. There's quite a lot of water around me everywhere, and after the Mäntyselkä I'm heading to Kutvele Canal, which is between the land and Kyläniemi Island. I'm gonna go through there and into Petroselkä, and I'm heading into Ruuhonsaaret. So yeah, it's pretty much the prettiest day all summer right now. It's something like 25 degrees Celsius and basically no wind and very few clouds in the sky, so it's good right now. It's very good right now. So I have something like 2 hours of driving left, and see you in Ruuhon. Alright, so now I'm here in Rokansaari. Finally, it took, I didn't look at time too thoroughly, but it was something like 3.5 hours drive from Joutseno into here, and it was a rough weekend, so now I'm just gonna relax for a while over here. I'm gonna cook some food, and then I'm gonna take my hammock and go somewhere over there and read a book. I'm going to repeat that until at least tomorrow, and yeah, it's good weather and great place to be, and yeah, nice summer day coming up. it is the night of a very beautiful day, and hopefully there will be a few more of these. Sun was shining all day and all evening, and now it's like that. It's something like it's 11 o'clock in the evening, and we're there's the third weekend of July. Is it July? Yes. So it's still relatively light over here. 1 month from the midsummer and the nightless night, but it won't get really dark even now. But yeah, it was a good day. A few hours of driving, and beautiful day. And tomorrow more of this, so more of relaxing and resting and fishing and reading and stuff like that, and hopefully more sunshine and more red skin. And I'm in the Ruohonsaari. You can hear the dogs barking because the main harbor of Ruohonsaari is over there, and I'm not parked over there, but there's another island over there where Tyrsky is parked, and it's quite a lot calmer over there. Actually, it's silent over there, not over here, but yeah. But the sunset, it is pretty. It is very, very, very pretty. But yeah, so that's it for today, and we'll see you tomorrow. So it is sunset o'clock over there, and Tyrsky over there, and it's been something like 2 days since I last made an update to you. I've been just hanging around here in Ruohonsaari, fishing, running, rowing, more fishing, eating, stuff like that. What you do on a holiday. I haven't been filming too much, but and we also had sauna. I had my uncle and his family hanging around in the same spot for 2 days, so I spent some time with them, and yeah, it was good. It was good. And now it's the third night over here. Tomorrow I'm gonna head away from here, and I'm gonna pick a new crew. Reeta is coming back to the boat for a few nights, and who knows where we're gonna be. I don't know yet. I'll find out tomorrow. But now I just had some burgers for food, and now I'm gonna enjoy the sunset, and then maybe read a book just a little bit and go to sleep. I just left Ruoansaari behind, and now I'm heading into Vetojako, or the southern end of the Lietuvesi area, and hopefully I will find a good spot for us over there. So 2 hours, well, maybe not that much, hour and a half or 2 hours of driving in the greater lakesaimaa, and yeah, that's it. Let's move on. So here I am on a secret paradise island in the lake Lietuvesi, Tyrsky over there, and rowboat also. Soon I'm gonna leave with the rowboat and fetch Reeta from the end of the road nearby, and we're gonna come back here. So there's this kind of a beach over here. It's quite nice place. We were here last year also. You might remember this place. It was the waters were a bit higher, so the beach over here wasn't on the surface, but now the waters are a bit lower, so it's really nice over here. But yeah, see you soon. She wanted to swim to the island, so there she is. We got some fish. I'm just gonna clean up the mess now. It's bloody over here.